In this guide, you will learn how to claim free Discord Nitro using Epic Games. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Epic Games launcher installed. Once open, go to the Store tab. Scroll down to the Free Games and Gifts section and click More. Find Discord Nitro and click Claim Free Now. On the next page, click Get to create a free order. The total will be $0. After placing the order, check your email for the confirmation from Epic Games. Open the email and click Redeem Now. If you're logged into Discord, it will automatically link to your account. You'll then see a confirmation that you have received 1 month of Nitro. Enter payment details. Don't worry, it will still be $0 for the first month. After the free month, Discord will charge $9.99, but you can cancel anytime. That's it. You have successfully claimed Discord Nitro for free. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.